Welcome to AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given now. Factorize y minus z whole power 5 plus z minus x whole power 5 plus x minus y whole power 5. So those who are new to this channel, like this Olympiad logical critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates from the channel and you can gain the knowledge. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends because it is a new channel. So here in this problem, so here power 5 is given. So here we'll get more factors. So here first of all, let us take a equal to y minus z, b is equal to z minus x, and c is equal to x minus y. Then what is happening here? A to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5. Here this is a, b, c. Now here if we add all the terms a plus b plus c, so y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y, we are getting 0. So here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now we can write it as a plus b is equal to minus c. Now squaring on both sides, a plus b whole square is equal to minus c square. So you can write it as a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to c square. Now minus c to the power of 5 is equal to a plus b whole power 5, making fifth power, taking fifth power on both sides. So c to the power of 5 is equal to a power 5, 5a power 4b plus 10 a cube b square plus 10 a square b cube plus 5ab power 4 plus b power 5. So this is a plus b whole power 5 formula. A power 5 plus 5a power 4b plus 10a cube b square plus 10a square b cube plus 5a b power 4 plus b power 5. So here what is required here? A power 5 b power 5, a power 5 b power 5 c power 5 is required. So all are negative. If you take a power 5 b power 5 that side, all are negative. Now what is left here? From this 2, I am taking 5ab common. So I am getting a cube plus b cube common. From this 2, I am taking 5ab common. And from the remaining 2, I am taking 10a square b square common. 10a square b square is a plus b. Now 5ab into a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, okay, plus 10a square b square into a plus b. Now here you can take a plus b common now, and 5ab also common. 5ab, here also you can take 5ab common. A plus b also you can take common in both. So what you'll get here? A square minus ab plus b square. Here 2ab is left. In this 2ab is left. Now here you can replace 5ab of a plus b value is minus c. A plus b value here you got a minus c. A plus b value here you got minus c. That I am replacing here. Now in the bracket you will get a square plus ab plus b square. Now here if you multiply, here it is a to the power of 5 plus b to the power of 5 plus c to the power of 5 is equal to minus 5abc a square plus ab plus b square. Remove minus on both sides. So replace the values of ABC. A value y minus z, b value z minus x, c value x minus y, bracket y minus z whole square plus a value z minus x, a value a square. Okay, here we will write b square z minus x and ab value y minus z into z minus x. Now what will get here? 5 into y minus z, z minus x, x minus y into y square plus z square minus 2yz plus z square plus x square minus 2zx plus yz minus yx minus z square minus into minus plus zx. So if you solve this here z square plus z square minus z square cancel. So here you'll get 5 into y minus z, z minus x, x minus y into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx are the factors of the given. So here y to the power of 5, y to the power of z whole power 5 plus z minus x whole to the power of 5 plus x minus y whole to the power of 5 is equal to 5 into y minus z, z minus x minus y into x square y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So if you like the video, subscribe the video and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching the video.